My friends, we would always hang out. A bunch of them were welders. We think this is probably gonna be the perfect fit for you. You get to see your work as you do it. You do get to travel and you can still come back home. You know, it's kind of flexible in that sense, depending on who you go with. So from there, I was like, well, I'm gonna do a semester of school, see if I like it, and then go from there. Turns out I love it. Growing up, I did not think women really did blue-collar jobs. I was raised pretty much to be a housewife, but I found out that I'm actually happier doing things on my own. I have a daughter, and she's always, whatever I've done career-wise, she always wanted to be a part of. And then when I told her I was doing this, like, it's the first time I actually saw her really excited about it. Her and my sons, they're just like, you get to melt metals, pretty much. And I showed them videos, and she's like really excited about it. She's like, can I do that? I said, when you're older, I'll show you how to do it. When I have my own machine, I'll show you how to do it.